All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. As I'm just starting my channel out, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them for me. If you have a project you want me to look into to GPU mine, please let me know. Please like, subscribe, and share. All right, let's get into it. So I'm going to today discuss the project called minepi.com and how to mine it. So the Pi network claims to be the first digital currency you can mine on your phone. Start earning cryptocurrency today with our free Energy Light mobile app. So they have a video here. It's 50 seconds long. I think it's important to watch. It's quick, so I'm going to play it for us.
The future of money is evolving rapidly, and no one wants to be left behind. Mining Bitcoin is time and energy intensive, requires extensive physical resources, and advanced technical knowledge. Introducing Pi, the first and only digital currency you can mine on your phone. That's big. This novel approach, developed by Stanford PhDs, allows you to mine cryptocurrency on your phone by leveraging your existing social connections with no cost and no battery drain. Have a phone? You've got Pi. It's time to join the revolution. Download Pi today for Apple or Android and get your piece of the pie.
All right, so there you have it. Download the app, set up an account, and you can mine. It's that easy. So they made this project basically for the layman who wants to just start getting into cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency mining. As you can see, too many of us are left out of the cryptocurrency revolution, so they're trying to get more people involved in cryptocurrency, which is a good thing. Pi makes crypto mining easy. Breakthrough tech allows you to mine on your phone without draining your battery life. It's decentralized. It's mobile first, works on your mobile phone, does not drain your battery. User and planet friendly, easy to use, security at scale without massive electrical waste. You can download the app here. So they have their white paper. It's more on the technical side, so I'm just going to do a brief overview. Like I said, if you want to check it out and dive a little bit deeper into it, feel free to do so. So our mission, build a cryptocurrency and smart contracts platform secured and operated by everyday people. Their vision, build the world's most inclusive peer-to-peer marketplace fueled by Pi, the world's most widely used cryptocurrency. So the next section is basically for the person just getting into cryptocurrency. It's an introduction to cryptocurrency and distributed ledger. So if you're more advanced into the cryptocurrency, then you want to skip that because you probably already know it. So I'm going to jump ahead and talk about their algorithm. So they use this Stellar Consensus Protocol architected by David Mazarias. I probably butchered that name. I apologize. A professor of computer science at Stanford, who also serves as chief scientist at the Stellar Development Foundation. SCP uses a novel mechanism called Federated Byzantine Agreements to ensure that updates to a distributed ledger are accurate and trustworthy. SCP is also deployed in practice through the Stellar blockchain and has been operating since 2015. So they use the Stellar blockchain. You can see here that they talk about their governance and their roadmap. And I'm going to skip around here and try to highlight some important things that I want to talk about in terms of just for this video. So bear with me here while I try to find some. Okay, so here it is. So Pi's adaptations to Stellar Consensus Protocol. So there are 4 roles Pi users can play as Pi miners, namely a pioneer, a user of the Pi mobile app, who is simply confirming that they are not a robot on a daily basis. This user validates their presence every time they sign into the app. They can also open the app to request transactions For example, make a payment in Pi to another Pioneer. The next level is a contributor. A user of the Pi mobile app who is contributing by providing a list of pioneers he or she knows and trusts. In aggregate, Pi contributors will build a global trust graph. So you're inviting people to join the network and mine with you. An ambassador, a user of the Pi mobile app who is introducing other users into Pi network. And finally, you can run a node, a user who is a pioneer, a contributor using the Pi mobile app and is also running the Pi node software on their desktop or laptop computer. The Pi node software is the software that runs the core SCP algorithm, taking into account the trust graph information provided by the contributors. So eventually you'll be able to run a node. But as you can see, the Pi node software has not been released yet. So as the network, as the project matures, they're going to eventually, their vision is to have people running nodes. So they talk about what is a node and how it's important to the network. And they talk about mobile app users. So basically they want to eventually have a marketplace so for their ecosystem to start and to be able to use their Pi's coins to buy things, buy services and goods, and pay contributors, and also if you're a business and you want to market something or run an advertisement, every time a Pi user clicks on the advertisement, then that advertiser has to pay the user in Pi's. So let's move on to the frequently asked questions. Always important to look at. Pi is not free-minded. It is a long-term project whose success depends on collective contributions of its members. What is Pi? It's a new cryptocurrency for and everyday people, by and everyday people. You can mine from your phone. You can read more about these things by clicking on Read More. Pi is not a scam. It's a genuine effort by a team of Stanford graduates to give everyday people greater access to cryptocurrency. So here's the team. Dr. Nicholas Kokalis, head of technology, Stanford PhD and instructor of Stanford's first decentralized application class, and you can read more about him. Dr. Fan, I'm not going to even try to pronounce that first name, head of product, Stanford PhD in computational anthropology, harnessing social computing to unlock human potential on a global scale. You can read more about her. And Vincent McPhillip is the head of community. And I'm assuming that the professor, the doctor that was mentioned in the white paper that started the SCP protocol is also at least a contributor and at the most part of the team, or at least part of the team. So let's go back to frequently asked questions. It says, how does the app work? How do I earn more Pi? So if you're interested in mining Pi and downloading the app on your phone, then read this. This app allows you to earn Pi by making simple contribution to Pi's community. The more you contribute, the more you earn. So you can read more about that. So do I need to leave the app open to mine? Does the app drain my battery or data? You do not need to leave the app open. Pi does not affect your phone's performance, drain your battery, or use network data. Why do earlier members earn mine at a higher rate, or earn Pi at a higher rate? Higher rate to reward contributors to the network when they are most needed. So basically they're starting out, they need people, and they're willing to reward miners more because of it. Talks about the different roles the miners have, and here's the ambassador role. How does the earning team work? So they go over that. Contributor role. Security circles are 3 to 5 trusted people built by each of Pi's members. So you invite people and you create this circle and you're able to mine more Pi. So since it's just kicked off, obviously Pi isn't worth anything. They don't have a main net up or anything like that, but their vision is to eventually get there. You can't withdraw Pi yet. You will be able to withdraw Pi or exchange Pi for other currencies in phase 3 of the project when Pi transitions to a fully decentralized blockchain. When will Pi be worth something? When can I turn Pi into real money? Pi holders will be able to turn Pi into real money when they purchase goods and services on Pi's marketplace or exchange Pi for fiat. So you can read more there. Like I said, they want to have a marketplace where goods and services can be exchanged for Pi, and people can advertise there and pay out Pi's that way. So you can't mine Pi from another device. In this app, and wallet, will we hold our own private public keys? And can we use external wallet to hold our Pi in the future? Yes, your phones will serve as a cryptocurrency wallet that will be linked to your current accounts. And you can read more about it here. So that's Pi. So if you're interested in learning more about it, please go to their website. If you're interested in looking at how to mine it, please download their app via their website. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, happy